Did you know that over 80% of people who use baking soda have no idea about its most powerful secrets? That's right, this everyday kitchen staple, which costs just pennies per dose, is quietly sitting in millions of homes, hiding its true potential. In fact, many experts call baking soda the most overlooked medicine on earth. Think about it. How many times have you reached for baking soda to bake a cake or freshen up your fridge without ever wondering what else it could do for you? What if I told you that this simple white powder has a long history of surprising uses, some of which could completely change the way you look at your health? Why is it that so few people talk about the real power of baking soda, and what are we all missing out on? In this video, we're going to explore the incredible health benefits of baking soda that very few people know about. I'll also share the important precautions and reveal exactly who should be careful when using baking soda. You definitely don't want to miss this, especially if you care about your health and want to make informed choices. Before we dive into the health benefits of baking soda, if you're new to our channel, welcome. Let's grow together. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content. Your journey to better health starts here, and we're so excited to be part of it. Oh, and let us know where you're watching from by dropping your country in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. All right, let's get started. The amazing health benefits of baking soda first supports detoxification. Baking soda isn't just for cleaning or baking. It's often praised for its potential to support the body's natural detoxification processes. When dissolved in water, baking soda becomes alkaline, which means it can help neutralize acids both inside and outside the body. Many people use baking soda baths to soothe irritated skin, reduce itchiness, and calm minor rashes. The idea is that soaking in a baking soda solution helps draw out impurities, leaving your skin feeling refreshed and your body more balanced. While this is a popular home remedy, scientific evidence for detoxifying effects through the skin is still limited, but many users report noticeable relief and comfort. Internally, the story gets even more interesting. Some health enthusiasts believe that drinking a small amount of baking soda mixed with water can help alkalize the blood and urine, making it easier for the body to flush out toxins. There's some science to support this, especially for people with certain health conditions. For example, a study published in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology found that sodium bicarbonate supplementation helped slow the progression of chronic kidney disease by reducing acid buildup in the blood. This suggests that, under medical supervision, baking soda can play a role in supporting the body's natural detoxification, especially for those who need help managing acid levels. However, it's important to remember that your body is already very skilled at keeping its pH in balance, and making big changes through diet alone is difficult. Overusing baking soda can lead to side effects, so moderation is key. Most wisely, baking soda can be a gentle, affordable way to support your body's natural detox efforts and help you feel more refreshed. Next, improves oral health and teeth whitening. Baking soda has earned its place in countless toothpastes and home remedies for a reason. It's a powerhouse when it comes to oral health and teeth whitening. If you've ever brushed your teeth with a little baking soda, you probably noticed how smooth and clean they felt afterward. That's because baking soda acts as a gentle abrasive, effectively scrubbing away surface stains from coffee, tea, or other foods that can dull your smile. Unlike harsh whitening treatments, baking soda's mild texture helps polish teeth without causing significant damage when used properly. But the benefits go beyond just a brighter smile. Baking soda is alkaline, which means it helps neutralize acids in your mouth. This is important because acidic environments allow harmful bacteria to thrive, leading to cavities, gum disease, and bad breath. By balancing the pH in your mouth, baking soda creates a less hospitable environment for these bacteria, supporting healthier gums and fresher breath. Scientific studies back up these claims. For example, research published in the Journal of Clinical Dentistry found that toothpaste containing baking soda were significantly more effective at removing plaque and whitening teeth than those without it. Other studies showed that baking soda can help reduce the number of harmful bacteria in the mouth, further supporting oral health. However, moderation is key because baking soda is abrasive. Using it too often or brushing too hard can wear down tooth and enamel over time. Dentists recommend using it just a few times a week and always with a soft bristle brush. With the right approach, baking soda can be a simple, affordable way to achieve a cleaner, brighter, and healthier smile right at home. Next, helps alleviate heartburn. Heartburn is a familiar and often uncomfortable sensation that many people experience, especially after enjoying a rich or spicy meal. It typically begins as a burning feeling in the upper stomach and can rise up into the throat, caused by stomach acid moving back into the esophagus, a condition known as acid reflux. Other factors such as certain medical disorders like achalasia or eosinophilic esophagitis, as well as weight gain or pregnancy, can also make heartburn more likely. While there are many commercial antacids available, a simple and effective remedy can be found right in your kitchen. Mixing a teaspoon of baking soda into a glass of water and sipping it slowly is a time-tested way to quickly ease heartburn. The science behind this is straightforward. Baking soda is alkaline, so it works to neutralize the excess stomach acid that causes that burning sensation. This reaction provides almost immediate relief, making it a popular home remedy for generations. In fact, the medical community recognizes sodium bicarbonate as a fast-acting antacid. A review published in the journal Gastroenterology and Hepatology highlights its effectiveness in providing rapid relief from occasional heartburn. The process is simple and accessible. No need for a trip to the pharmacy or expensive treatments. It's a teaspoon of baking soda, a glass of water, and a few minutes are all it takes to feel better. This easy solution is one reason why baking soda remains a staple in so many households. For those looking for quick, reliable relief from heartburn, this humble kitchen ingredient can make a noticeable difference, helping you get back to your day with comfort and ease. Next, antifungal properties. Animal infections are a common nuisance, often showing up as itchy, red, or flaky patches on the skin. Especially in warm and damp areas like the feet, athlete's foot, ringworm, and other similar conditions are caused by fungi that thrive in moist environments. While there are many over-the-counter creams and sprays available, a simple and natural remedy can be found in your kitchen. Baking soda. What makes this household staple so effective against fungi is its ability to disrupt the environment that these organisms need to grow. When applied to the skin, baking soda creates an alkaline setting that weakens the cell walls of fungi, making it harder for them to survive and multiply. This isn't just a home remedy passed down through generations. There's scientific evidence to back it up. A study published in the journal Mycopathologia found that a solution containing 10 grams of baking soda per liter was able to inhibit the growth of 80% of the fungal strains tested. This impressive result highlights baking soda's potential as a natural antifungal agent. Using it as simple, a paste made from baking soda and water can be applied directly to affected areas, or you can add it to a foot bath to help soothe and treat athlete's foot. Many people find relief from itching and discomfort after just a few treatments. Plus, because it's gentle and non-toxic, it's a great option for those looking to avoid harsh chemicals. For anyone dealing with stubborn fungal infections, this affordable and accessible remedy offers a promising alternative, helping restore comfort and confidence to your daily life. Next, may relieve urinary tract infections, UTIs. Urinary tract infections, or UTIs, are a common and often painful problem, especially for women. The burning sensation during urination, frequent urges to go, and general discomfort can make daily life challenging. While antibiotics are the standard treatment, some people look for natural ways to ease symptoms and support recovery. One such remedy that's gained attention is baking soda. The idea behind using baking soda for UTIs is rooted in its ability to neutralize acids. When mixed with water and consumed in small amounts, baking soda can help make urine less acidic. This shift in pH may create an environment that is less hospitable for the bacteria responsible for UTIs, potentially slowing their growth and making it easier for the body to fight off the infection. Additionally, less acidic urine can reduce the burning sensation that makes UTIs so uncomfortable. Scientific research offers some support for this approach. In a study published in the Japanese Journal of Urology, 33 women with recurrent UTIs were given sodium bicarbonate as part of their treatment. After 4 weeks, many participants reported significant improvement in their symptoms, including less pain and discomfort during urination. While these results are promising, it's important to note that baking soda should not replace medical treatment for UTIs, especially in severe cases. For those seeking extra relief alongside prescribed therapies, baking soda may offer a gentle, affordable way to ease discomfort. Please remember, though, that persistent or severe UTI symptoms require prompt attention from a healthcare professional. Used wisely, baking soda can be a helpful addition to your toolkit for managing urinary health and comfort. Next, may treat canker sores. If you've ever experienced the sharp sting of a canker sore, you know just how disruptive these tiny mouth ulcers can be. The good news? Baking soda might be the simple, affordable remedy you've been searching for. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, works wonders here because of its unique ability to neutralize acids in the mouth and create a more balanced pH environment. This is crucial, as an acidic environment can slow healing and increase irritation. By rinsing your mouth with a solution of baking soda and water, you can use a lot of water and water to help you get your food. You can use a lot of water and water to help you get your food and increase irritation. By rinsing your mouth with a solution of baking soda and water, typically about half a teaspoon in a glass of warm water, you can help reduce inflammation, soothe pain, and speed up the healing process. But don't just take my word for it. Science backs this up. A study published in the Journal of the American Dental Association found that sodium bicarbonate mouth rinses significantly reduced pain and promoted faster healing in patients with recurrent aphthous stomatitis. The researchers concluded that baking soda's mild antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties help keep the sore clean and reduce bacterial growth, which is essential for recovery. Plus, unlike some over-the-counter treatments, baking soda is gentle and unlikely to cause further irritation. So next time you feel a canker sore coming on, try a simple baking soda rinse. It's a natural, science-backed way to find relief and support your oral health, right from your kitchen. Next, enhances exercise performance. Did you know that a common kitchen staple could give you a real edge in your workouts? That's right, baking soda isn't just for baking cakes or cleaning your sink. It's actually a secret weapon used by athletes to boost exercise performance and fight muscle fatigue. Here's how it works. When you engage in high-intensity exercise, your muscles produce lactic acid, which leads to a drop in pH and creates that familiar burning sensation. This acidity is a major factor in muscle fatigue, often forcing you to stop before you're truly ready. Baking soda or sodium bicarbonate acts as a natural buffering agent. When consumed before exercise, it helps neutralize the excess acid in your muscles, allowing you to push harder and last longer during intense workouts. But this isn't just fitness folklore. There's solid science behind it. A meta-analysis published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research reviewed multiple studies and found that sodium bicarbonate supplementation significantly improved performance in high-intensity short-duration activities like sprinting, swimming, and cycling. The researchers concluded that athletes who took baking soda experienced a late onset of fatigue and were able to maintain peak performance for longer periods. Typically, athletes mix about a teaspoon of baking soda with water and drink it 60 to 90 minutes before their workout. However, it's crucial to start with small amounts, as too much can cause gastrointestinal discomfort like bloating or nausea. If you're looking for a natural science-backed way to enhance your endurance and get more out of your training sessions, baking soda might be worth a try. Just remember to consult with a healthcare professional before adding it to your routine, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. Give it a shot and see if you notice the difference in your next workout. Next, may help improve kidney function. Imagine if something as simple as baking soda could help protect your kidneys and support their function, especially if you're living with chronic kidney disease. CKD. For many people with CKD, the kidneys struggle to remove enough acid from the blood, leading to a condition called metabolic acidosis. This excess acid can accelerate kidney damage and worsen overall health. Here's where baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, comes in. It acts as a natural antacid, helping to neutralize the acid in your bloodstream. By reducing blood acidity, baking soda can ease the burden on your kidneys and potentially slow the progression of kidney disease. This isn't just a home remedy, there's real science behind it. A landmark study published in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology followed patients with advanced CKD and metabolic acidosis. The researchers found that those who took daily sodium bicarbonate supplements experienced a significantly slower decline in kidney function compared to those who did not. In fact, the group taking baking soda was less likely to develop end-stage renal disease and require dialysis. The study also noted improvements in blood bicarbonate levels, which is a key marker of acid-base balance in the body. Of course, it's important to remember that baking soda isn't a cure-all and should never be used without medical supervision. Too much can lead to complications like high blood pressure or fluid retention, especially in people with heart or kidney issues. If you or someone you know has CKD, talk to a healthcare professional before considering baking soda as a supplement. Used wisely and under guidance, this humble kitchen ingredient could play a surprising role in supporting kidney health and improving quality of life. Next, can relieve arthritis pain. Imagine finding relief from arthritis pain with something as simple as baking soda, a humble ingredient that might already be sitting in your kitchen. Arthritis, particularly rheumatoid arthritis, is a condition marked by persistent inflammation, leading to joint pain, swelling, and stiffness that can make daily life challenging. While most people turn to medications and physical therapy for relief, recent scientific discoveries suggest that baking soda could offer a natural and accessible way to help manage these symptoms. The science behind this is both intriguing and promising. In a 2018 study published in the Journal of Immunology, researchers found that drinking a daily solution of baking soda in water could actually influence the body's immune system. The study revealed that sodium bicarbonate helps activate the body's anti-inflammatory response while calming the autoimmune activity that drives conditions like rheumatoid arthritis. Both animal and human participants in the study experienced a noticeable reduction in inflammatory markers, and the balance of immune cells shifted toward a less inflammatory state. This means that baking soda may help soothe the immune system, reducing the joint pain and swelling that make arthritis so difficult to live with. For those living with arthritis, this research opens up exciting possibilities. Incorporating a simple baking soda rinse or drink into your daily routine could potentially help manage inflammation and improve joint comfort. While more research is needed to fully understand the long-term benefits, the idea that such a common household item could play a role in easing arthritis pain is both empowering and hopeful. It's a reminder that sometimes the most effective remedies are the ones hiding in plain sight. Next, manages gout symptoms. Gout is a particularly painful form of arthritis, often striking suddenly with intense pain, redness, and swelling, usually in the big toe or other joints. The root cause, a buildup of uric acid in the bloodstream, which forms sharp crystals in the joints and triggers inflammation. Managing gout often means finding ways to lower uric acid levels and soothe the resulting pain. This is where baking soda or sodium bicarbonate comes into play as a surprisingly effective home remedy. Baking soda's alkaline nature allows it to neutralize excess uric acid in the blood, making it less likely for those painful crystals to form. By helping to restore a healthier pH balance, baking soda can reduce both the frequency and severity of gout attacks. In fact, a study published in the journal Arthritis and Rheumatism found that alkalinizing agents like sodium bicarbonate can help dissolve uric acid crystals and promote their excretion through urine, offering relief from acute gout symptoms. Many people find that drinking a glass of water mixed with half a teaspoon of baking soda can help ease discomfort during a flare-up. Beyond just pain relief, baking soda may also help reduce inflammation in affected joints, making movement easier and less painful. However, it's important to remember that while baking soda can be a helpful addition to your gout management toolkit, it should always be used with guidance from a healthcare professional. This ensures you get the benefits without risking any complications. So if you're looking for a natural, science-backed way to manage gout symptoms, baking soda might just be the simple solution you need, right from your kitchen cupboard. Next, alleviates cold and flu symptoms. When cold and flu season hits, it's easy to feel overwhelmed by symptoms like a scratchy throat, stuffy nose, and relentless congestion. But did you know that baking soda, a simple, affordable staple, can be a powerful ally in your fight against these common ailments? Thanks to its natural alkaline properties, baking soda can help break down stubborn mucus, making it easier to clear your nasal passages and breathe more freely. This is especially helpful when you're dealing with a runny or blocked nose that just won't quit. One of the most effective ways to use baking soda for cold and flu relief is as a gargle. Mixing half a teaspoon of baking soda with a glass of warm water creates a soothing solution that can help calm a sore, irritated throat. Gargling with this mixture not only eases discomfort, but also helps reduce the presence of germs and bacteria in your mouth and throat, creating a less hospitable environment for viruses to thrive. In fact, a study published in the Journal of the American Dental Association found that regular gargling with a baking soda solution can significantly decrease throat irritation and microbial load, supporting faster recovery from upper respiratory infections. Baking soda can also be added to saline nasal rinses to further help clear congestion. By breaking down mucus and neutralizing acids, it supports your body's natural defenses and helps you feel better faster. So the next time you're feeling under the weather, consider reaching for baking soda. It's a gentle, science-backed remedy that can make a real difference in how quickly you bounce back from colds and flu, proving that sometimes the best solutions are right in your kitchen. Next, it might help boost cancer treatments. The idea that baking soda could play a role in cancer treatment might sound surprising, but it's a topic that's gaining attention in the scientific community. Cancer cells are known to thrive in acidic environments, which not only supports their growth, but can also make them more resistant to certain treatments. Baking soda, with its natural, alkalizing properties, has been studied for its potential to alter the pH around tumor cells, making the environment less favorable for cancer to spread. One of the most intriguing studies on this topic was published in 2009 in the journal Cancer Research. In this study, researchers injected sodium bicarbonate into mice with metastatic breast cancer and found that it significantly reduced the acidity of the tumors. This shift in pH slowed the progression of the cancer and made the tumor cells more susceptible to chemotherapy. The findings suggest that by neutralizing the acidic microenvironment, baking soda could potentially enhance the effectiveness of conventional cancer treatments. Scientists are now exploring whether antacids like baking soda could be safely used alongside chemotherapy or other therapies to improve outcomes for patients. However, it's important to emphasize that this research is still in its early stages. While the results in animal models are promising, more clinical trials in humans are needed before baking soda can be recommended as part of a standard cancer treatment plan. For now, baking soda should not be seen as a miracle cure, but rather as a potential tool that may one day complement existing therapies. If you or a loved one is undergoing cancer treatment, always consult with your healthcare team before considering any new supplements or remedies. Finally, natural deodorant. If you're looking for a simple, natural way to stay fresh throughout the day, baking soda might be the answer you've been searching for. Unlike many commercial deodorants that rely on artificial fragrances and chemicals, baking soda offers a clean, effective alternative straight from your kitchen. Its secret lies in its ability to neutralize the acidic compounds in sweat that cause body odor while also absorbing excess moisture. This creates an environment where odor-causing bacteria struggle to thrive, helping you stay odor-free even on your busiest days. Baking soda's effectiveness as a natural deodorant isn't just anecdotal. It's supported by science. A study published in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology found that sodium bicarbonate significantly reduced underarm odor when used as a topical application. The researchers noted that baking soda's alkaline nature helps counteract the acids produced by sweat and bacteria, effectively minimizing unpleasant smells. Plus, because it's free from parabens, aluminum, and synthetic fragrances, baking soda is a great option for those with sensitive skin or anyone looking to avoid harsh chemicals. Using baking soda as a deodorant is easy. Simply dust a small amount under your arms, either on its own or mixed with a bit of coconut oil for added moisture. You'll notice that it keeps you feeling dry and fresh even during workouts or hot weather. While everyone's skin is different and some may need to test for sensitivity, baking soda remains a popular choice for those seeking a natural, eco-friendly approach to personal care. So if you're ready to ditch chemical-laden products, give baking soda a try. It's a simple, science-backed way to stay confidently fresh all day long. Who should be cautious? While baking soda offers a range of impressive health benefits, it's important to recognize that it isn't suitable for everyone. Certain groups should exercise extra caution, especially when considering regular use or higher doses, whether for internal or external purposes. Individuals with kidney issues, for example, need to be particularly careful. Because baking soda contains sodium, those with compromised kidney function may struggle to eliminate excess sodium from their bodies, which can lead to fluid retention and other complications. People with high blood pressure should also be mindful. The sodium content in baking soda can contribute to elevated blood pressure levels, making it risky for those already managing hypertension. Similarly, individuals with gastrointestinal disorders such as gastritis, ulcers, or acid reflux should consult a healthcare professional before using baking soda, as it can alter stomach acidity and potentially worsen these conditions. Pregnant or nursing women are another group who should approach baking soda with caution. Excessive intake can disrupt the body's electrolyte balance, which may have implications for both mother and baby. Additionally, people with known allergies or sensitivities might experience skin irritation or digestive discomfort when using baking soda, so it's wise to test a small amount first. Finally, those with respiratory issues should avoid inhaling baking soda powder, as it can irritate the airways and exacerbate breathing problems. In all cases, moderation and proper guidance are key. If you fall into any of these categories or have underlying health concerns, it's always best to consult with a healthcare provider before making baking soda a regular part of your health routine. As you can see, baking soda is far more than just a kitchen staple. It's a powerful and versatile tool that can support your health in many surprising ways, from soothing sore throats to managing gout and even boosting exercise performance. Its benefits are backed by both tradition and science. But remember, it's important to use baking soda wisely and consult a healthcare professional if you have any concerns. Have you ever tried baking soda for any of these remedies, or do you have your own tips to share? Drop your experiences and questions in the comments below. We love hearing from you. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with friends who might benefit too. Thank you for watching and supporting our channel. To keep learning, we've handpicked 2 videos just for you. Click on one of them, and we'll see you there.